Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, cryptocurrency indexes, stock market, futures, commodity, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is the 3rd of March, it's a Wednesday. So nothing that much happened the last 2 days. Of course, the USD has been gaining a lot of strength, right? But it won't last long, right? Because the US, right, is quite near to the agreement of the stimulus, right? The stimulus proposed by the government. So now, right, once the stimulus approved, right, looks like the USD, okay, should be weakened, okay, because the more money you print, right, the less value it will be, right? So theoretically, okay, it's supposed to be like that, but market does not work by theory, right? It's work by sentiment, emotion. People greedy, people fear, okay, people fearful, okay, people are optimistic, people not optimistic, so the sentiment drives the market, so not always logic. That's why when we see the news come out, right, it doesn't necessarily happen whatever the news say. Okay, USD should be strong, right? You see the USD manufacturing index go up, price index go up, everything go up. So we think that, okay, the USD will be strong, but not necessarily it will happen. And although it might happen, but it not necessarily happen right away, right? So people, there are certain parties might control the movement first before it actually goes the way that it should, right? But it not exactly the time that it will happen. No doubt it will still go the way that it should, but not exactly the time that we think it should. Okay, so a lot of things happen. That's why we always follow technical analysis. The chart is the priority. Okay, news for me is secondary. Okay, news is to support my analysis on the chart. Okay, but I don't make any decision on news based on news, right? So if just follow the news, right, can beat the market easily, right? So everybody will become millionaire, right? You just sit and listen to Bloomberg, right? So then you just whatever they say, so you just follow and trade whatever they say in the chart. They say in the market, okay? They say the US currency should be strong, you buy. So it doesn't necessarily happen, right? If it happen exactly what they say, so we don't need to study anything, right? You just sit at home, watch Bloomberg, and everyone will be millionaire, right? So it's not easy, right? Market require us, right, to do our homework, okay? We have to have an advantage over the other people that only sit and listen to news, right? So we need to have an advantage over the market, over the majority of people that goes into market. Only we can actually make money, we can win, okay? If we are similar to the 95% who goes into market without any understanding of the chart, the fundamental, okay, how the market works, okay, how the sentiment works, okay, how the entirely how the forex market operate, right? So these are the 95%, okay, and 90 to 95% who is not making money, okay, and the 5% who is making money, okay, which is the one that do their homework, okay, study their chart, study their news, study the fundamental, those are the ones that who can gain from the market. And those are the 5% of people that which can constantly profit from the market. Okay, I hope you guys also become one of them. Okay, it takes a lot of effort to be there. It's not so easy. A lot of people think going into forex, or going into cryptocurrency, just so easy, just jump in whenever you hear the news, just jump in. Okay, if I wish it was so easy, right? Then everyone will be millionaire, right? Okay, don't let's talk about the what's happening on the news first. Okay, how is everyone? Okay, is everyone having a good result on the trading? Okay, so last few weeks, right, I discussed quite a few of my trading, right, and most of them is quite favorable. Okay, if you haven't checked out my previous video, okay, and some of my previous entry, right, maybe you can check out, so at least you know where I stood. Okay, why is the reason that I executed the trade. Okay, these are all the things that maybe can shed some benefits to my viewers. Okay, so now today, right, today there's some opportunity actually, right. We talk about the news first. Okay, let's go to the China PMI actually dropped. It's not a very good sign, okay, for the exporters to China. Okay, it's the manufacturing index, means the purchasing managers buy less, right, from for their production. Okay, means they're expecting a slower economy, right, and those countries that export to China, right, will have an effect, right, because if a drop in a PMI, right, means they are purchasing less material, right. So Monday, GDP, Britain manufacturing PMI actually improved. Canada manufacturing PMI actually improved. US manufacturing PMI improved. And ISM manufacturing PMI also improved, right? So that's why you can see a strong US dollar, right? Strong US dollar for the past 2 days, right? Past 2 days. And Australia, the rate remained the same. Okay, good for them. Okay, Canada GDP 0.1% remained the same. So in the morning, okay, Australia GDP already come out. Quarterly GDP improved 3.1, so good for Aussie dollar. Excuse me. Okay, so others are coming soon. So today we got a US services PMI to check out, and this one non-farm employment change. Okay, and okay, this one need to watch out. Okay, tonight, okay, there will be some impact on the USD. Tomorrow, okay, we have OPEC meeting. So OPEC, the sentiment in OPEC meeting, right? The sentiment, right, is like they are not going to curb the oil production, right? Initially, last meeting, right, they actually agreed to slow down, okay, curb the oil production to drive the price up, right? Now the sentiment is that, right, they are not going to curb as much. Therefore, right, there could be a risk of the oil price, right, going down. Okay, so this one take note. And pound MPC member speaks, and New Zealand governor speak. Okay, because of the New Zealand government speaks. But this is Australia. The rate is on Australia. This one is last week. The government, the New Zealand. Okay, so this one Thursday. Okay, so watch out for this one. For the oil, right? Oil means Canada. Okay, Canada. This one the speech, right? 4:15 a.m. Very early in the morning. So this one could affect the New Zealand dollar. Okay, Friday is an important one. Okay, where else the wrong power? You speak again. Okay, you then they have average hour earning, non-farm employment change and employment rate. Okay, this one and in the evening in the evening means a US morning. Okay, in the evening and the Asian time. Okay, and Canada PMI. Okay, so these are the USD and Canada. Be careful on a Friday. Okay, be careful on Friday. Okay, let's dive into the chart. Restart. So let's take a look at our crypto first about the software restart. Okay, ADA Cardano is still flying. Cardano is still flying. Okay, but it's making lower lower. RSI is making lower higher. Okay, so this one higher high is divergent. So be careful. Okay, Cardano maybe if you want to buy, wait for a drop. Okay, wait for a drop to buy. This is wait for a drop to the bottom of this channel. Okay, this channel, right? Okay, bottom of this channel, rebound to buy, or this support resistance line, okay, to buy. Okay, 0.93, or here, let me put a little price tag there. $0.94 or somewhere around here. Okay, we rebound 1.12. Okay, we rebound. Okay, possible. Okay, opportunity to buy because there is another trend line over here. Okay, support resistance line over here. So Cardano is on a tear right now. Okay, because of the weakness on Ethereum, right? There's a news that people are taking money from their Bitcoin, Bitcoin store, Bitcoin deposit and Ethereum, right? Money from Bitcoin and Ethereum, and they put it in Cardano because they think Cardano is the high flyer soon, right? So that's why the reason the Cardano ADA is moving so fast, okay? And Bitcoin still unable to go up above 50,000, okay? Consolidating now, okay? See, it's a triangle, right? If it breaks above, possible to buy. If it breaks below, okay, wait for a rebound at maybe this one 41,000, around 42,000 area. A bounce, possible opportunity to buy. Okay, Ethereum dropped a lot, okay, but now likely looks like it got supported, a big pin bar here, okay, but it's still on a downtrend. So this one, okay, it was on the range here, it rebroken out of the range, okay. It was let me draw out the range. Okay, so it's running, it was going in the range. Now it broke out from the range, right? And it's a bearish breakout. Okay, so this one we want to wait, right? The price. Okay, maybe the price up above 1667. Okay, maybe price can bounce above this area. Possible only to buy, right? Because there's still many resistance over here. There's still this one resistance line over here and one resistance line over here. Okay, so this one, so Ethereum, after the drop, facing quite a few resistance here and here. Okay, you want to see what happened at these two areas because of the gas fee, right? Everyone worry about the gas fee where the transaction using Ethereum now is quite high, so that's why the Ethereum now, dropped quite a lot. As I said, don't buy here. These are the places. The high, chasing high is dangerous. Don't buy here. Okay, possible here. Possible. Okay, if the price doesn't drop anymore, looks like it's trying to go back up. These are all positive pin bar, positive candle going up. Okay, but it still need to break this 1667. Okay, 1667 should be a resistance. Okay, near term resistance. 1664. Litecoin also rebound just like Bitcoin, you know, drop to the bottom of the channel. As I said, bottom of the channel, opportunity to buy. Okay, now the price is slowly going back up. Quickly look at US index. US index, okay, already dropped out of the channel. Now went back into channel. Could be a false break. Okay, could be a false break. Went out of channel, went back in. Could be a false break. Okay, because this one, Nasdaq, right? The tech company now having a few company having a big drop. You know, that's why the Nasdaq is affected quite a lot. Okay, but it still managed to go back inside the channel, but still today it dropped again. Yesterday dropped again. So this one could be sideways. Okay. Well, Dow Jones is still strong. It's still inside the channel, right? It's still inside the pitchfork channel. Okay. So if the stimulus, right, comes out, right, being agreed by the Senate, so I think this one will continue to go up. Okay, S&P also. Okay, S&P also. Okay. So S&P going up, all this going up. Okay, if this one all rebound means risk on, right? Risk on means if you the USD will have a lot of pressure, okay, from the risk on sentiment, right? Okay, this one done. Let's go back into our chart. So Euro USD, Euro USD, we talk about this S1, S2 support area, right? We are still buying the Euro USD, right? Because it's still in the uptrend, right? Okay, so this one I will not sell this one, even though it's a big pin bar coming down, right? We will not sell, okay, because we are trend traders, trend followers. So now this another pin bar, almost a pin bar. Okay, this is a tail bar, but it's quite similar to a pin bar. Rejecting these two area. Okay, one S1 and S2, 1.2012 and 1.2061, right? So this one most probably, okay. The idea is that after this rejection, right? The idea is that the price should come back to test 1.2170. Okay. So the next one, pound USD. Okay, pound USD. This one is a pin bar. Okay, after the price rejected at hit our target, right? Hit our target 1.4233, right? The price come back down to this R1 area 1.3993. As I said, right, this is always an area, right? It's not, okay, it's not a exactly line, right? So we have to have some discretion, okay, common sense, you know, to trade. Just don't follow exactly the line, you know, because all these are people's sentiment, right? People's sentiment doesn't follow a direct line, right? Doesn't follow the exact line, direct line, right? These are all created by sentiment. Okay, all this candle, right, is people's sentiment, right? That's why we can read the candle, we know what is a sentiment, what people, majority in the world, people are thinking. If we know what majority of people are thinking, we should trade according to the majority of people are going, okay? We don't trade against the trend, right? Okay, it's like a waterfall coming down, right? Waterfall coming down, right? The flow of the water is going downwards, right? Okay, but why do we want to go upwards fighting the water, right? The water flow, right? Or the waterfall, right? Isn't it easier just to follow the water come down, you know, the water flow come down, or you want to go and fight the water flow, you want to go up against the water flow? Which one is easier? Okay, which one is more power sapping? Which one might kill you? Which one will not? Okay, so it's easier, right? You want to go somewhere, we want to travel somewhere, the water is downflow, we follow the water downflow, right? We don't follow the water upflow, right? Why do we want to go upflow, right? Fight the water, right? We are really exhausted, right? Okay, so the water now is upflow, right? So now this one is a consolidation pattern, okay, consolidation, and this one is a pin bar, okay. If you look at the consolidation, this one is a false break. The price broke out of this consolidation, okay, and went back in, okay. So this one false break. After false break, normally, okay, we expect the price to break above, okay, to break above the false break. Okay, so this is a consolidation pattern. Okay, the price a few days already hanging around here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 days already hanging inside here. Okay, so this consolidation, and yesterday it showed that it want to come out, but it got pushed back in. It's a false break. Normally, as I said, in a false break in consolidation, the price, the idea is that after consolidation, false break, the price will go the other way. Okay, so this one, the price should come out to test the top of this consolidation. Okay, if it break out from this consolidation, we expect the price to come to R21.4233. Okay, so this one is a pound USD. Okay, if it comes below, right, if it drop below, means this is a this pattern, this false break, right, did not work out. Okay, so then we have to, if it breaks below, right, later, right, if it breaks below, I'm not saying it won't break below, okay, market can do anything it wants. We only follow the chart, and the chart tells us the probability of going up is more. So we go follow the trend, right? We don't follow the sentiment, right? The sentiment say, looking at this chart pattern, it should go up more than should go down. So why we want to buy down? Okay, we want to go down when the chart tells us it should go up, right? Okay, so this one, if it breaks down, right, so we will wait for a rebound at the S2 1.36136763, or S1 or S2 1.3696. USDJPY continue to hit our resistance too. Okay, it printed a print bar here, right? A rejection of price. Okay, so but the price is still continue to go down. So we still want to wait for the price to come back up. Okay, come back up means it should pass. Okay, the price, right, should when below this pin bar close. Okay, then opportunity. Then if you can do that, right, then we are looking at our R1 106.17, right? So this one, this pin bar, the idea is if the price will break above the pin bar, above the pin bar, if the price actually break above the pin bar, most likely it come back and test this 107.95. Probably it's a buy position. If the price come back down and break below this pin bar, possible is a sell position. Target is 106.17. Australia AUD USD not much. The rebound also not very strong, and they're not it's still in a consolidation pattern. It's a consolidation pattern. So this one we have to wait for it to work out. So this is a consolidation pattern. So the price zigzag inside. These two lines. So this is a consolidation pattern. We have to wait. We have to wait for it to break out. So price is now zigzag inside this pattern, right? Zigzag. So we have to wait for it to break out. Only we go for a position. New Zealand dollar, right? We said about here, right? This one 0.7233. If the price come back down, this is a first support resistance, right? This is a resistance, previous resistance, now becomes support. If it breaks, then we look at this consolidation area. The top of this consolidation should be a support, right? So now the price is rejected. At this area, rebound from this area, support 1.7233, right? So the price actually came to this area. The previous support resistance area 1.7310. So if the price can break through here, most likely, the price will come and test R2 0.7393. If it rejected, come back down, possible it will come and retest, this area 0.7233 or 0.7179. So this one we have to see, what happened. This is a pin bar here. So we have to see if it breaks above this pin bar, buy opportunity to this area. If it breaks okay, below the pin bar, okay, wait for a rebound, okay, at this area, or the bottom of this consolidation area, wait for a rebound to buy, okay. CAD, okay, CAD has been weaker due to the drop of the oil, okay, oil price drop a little bit. So this one now is still now, okay, is printed another consolidation pattern, right? Another consolidation pattern, right? So the price is zigzag inside, okay, this range, right? So this one still we have to wait, okay. If the price actually break above, okay, we look at 1.2545. If the price break below, okay, we wait for a rebound at 1.2816 or a rebound at 1.2933 for a buy, for a sell, okay. This is a downtrend, so we're looking at the sell opportunity, right? Okay. So if let's say let me see any other level. Okay, we talk a bit longer today. Okay, so if we can break below, okay, we are looking at these two levels, 1.2545 and 1.2456. Look at gold. Okay, gold is almost reached the second target, 1.6797. Okay, so this one wait for a rebound. Okay, wait for a rebound. S1 11765. Okay, or R1 1815. Okay, a drop, possible sell opportunity. Okay, this one is zigzag, zigzag inside this channel. Okay. So now already hit the bottom of the channel, most likely, okay, the price, okay, will come back to test S1, R1 and R2 area before the price will, okay, continue to go down. So this one is a downtrend. It's still, this is a downtrend already, because the price already passed the 200 moving average, right? And already passed 50% of the move, of the previous move. Okay, let's measure Fibonacci on the previous move. Okay, the previous move, right? So this is a 50%, right? So you see the price already, okay, price already passed. Okay, price already passed 50% of the move. So this one, okay, we continue to sell. Okay, go. Okay, wait for a rebound. Okay, wait for a rebound, okay, then a rejection of price at S1, R1 or R2, okay, opportunity to sell, right? Continue to sell the gold, okay. So remember, okay, like my video, right? Help me to expand this video. This channel Forex with KS is a bit slower moving nowadays. Hopefully, you guys, can share it with your friend. It's not easy to learn how to see the chart, but chart is the advantage that we have in order to trade the forex, right? So we need this. So okay, remember to like and share my video always, and then subscribe if you're new. Okay, remember to subscribe. Okay, and hit the bell. Okay, if you are a regular here, thank you for watching my video. Okay, I really appreciate you guys supporting me. Okay, stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.